mommy. Yeah, like a cracking bones. Okay? Hey! Talk to mommy. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh. Okay. Hintay lang natin si daddy mo CR. Picture. Okay. And then we're going up sa Doc Rob's Wellness, Chiropractic Wellness Clinic. Okay. Okay, let's go up.
Two, right? Yes, we're gonna just continue with what we did on Thursday. We gotta work on the pelvic misalignment, the lumbar issue with the disc, L5S1, very tigas. Let's get started. Go on your side, Kahilin, harap side. Breathe and very nice. Okay, kapila. Good. Okay, Hika. Okay, go. Finally release the joints, all the stress every day. You are ready, very good. Tapos na.
Thank you so much.
Let's do it again Tuesday. Kailangan babalik.
Okay, this is my third chiropractic session here at Doc Rob's Chiropractic Wellness Clinic. So we're going in now. Sama ko si Daddy at si Baby Fit. Okay. Here is the reception area. Hi.
Ano?
Yeah. One more. Hello. Hi, friend. Welcome to Dr. Chiropractic Clinic. Yes. Here is the reception area. So there is... Okay, oh, you have toys there. So you can bring your kids here because they have sections. They can play here, Lego. So right now, Baby Fit is very happy. He is busy playing the Lego. Yeah. Okay, what is that, baby? You like it? Oh. Thank you, baby. Okay, here, you play. Oh, you don't like? Ayaw mo ikaw focus. O sige, dito na lang yan. Ito tayo. Christmas na sa kanila. It's Merry Christmas. That is the 316 of their patients waiting area. So right now I'm waiting for the other patient to finish, and Dr. Jill will be the one to attend to me today because Dr. Rob is in another branch today. What is that, baby? You have lots of options here. So there are 3 deck. What will you build, baby? Okay.
Hold mommy's hand.
Right here, first little breath. And exhale. One more breath in. And exhale. Ah. Oh, good. Wow, so tight today. You have to turn towards me on your side this way. There we go. Good. Good, good, good. Good breath. And exhale. Good. Good. Okay. Face up on your back. Good, good, good. Yes. And I'm gonna sit right here. Right here. Good, 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 good. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, so good. Welcome. Can we see that on Saturday? Are you here now?
What do you have? Show us what you have. You have chocolate? Oh, you have chocolate. Alright. Okay. Are you playing? Oh, are you happy? Are you happy? Ka, video? Did you see mommy's neck being cracked? 5. Oh, 5. How old are you? Okay, say bye-bye. Listen here, bye-bye.